Hello fellow freedom seekers and welcome to our new pitch, welcome to our new site. So many things have changed for us recently, but some problems and some questions are still part of our daily life. And yes, it's time to revisit the question, how much gas have we left in our cylinder? You may remember my old video where I was estimating the gas level using the kettle and hot water and using my husband and the bathroom scales. And these methods were pretty old school and not very accurate, and in this box I have two devices which promise me easy and very precise measuring and monitoring of gas levels in the cylinders. So today I'm going to introduce you to smart scales called SensoForce Plus. Give this video a like and let's unpack and test the devices together. Here we go. I have two small and light boxes containing two different devices. One is called SensoForce Basic and it's designed for use at home and for stationary use. For example, for your gas barbecue gas cylinder. And SensoForce Plus, this one has a gauge measuring the angle, so this one will work and give you an accurate reading even when you are on the move. That's why it says for every adventure, because you can take it with you when you go camping or caravanning. So the installation is very simple. You simply pop the three 3A batteries here, you adjust the size of the scales to make sure they match the size of your gas cylinder. You download an app. You need to enter just two pieces of information in your app on your smartphone, which is the total weight of a full gas cylinder and the weight of the gas when the bottle is 100% full. So today I'm working with a 13 kilogram gas cylinder, so this is the weight of the gas inside, and I know that the empty bottle weighs 17 kilograms, which means the total weight is 30 kg. So I entered these details into the app on my phone. It is configured and it's ready to go. So now I just have to pop my cylinder on the scales and read the reading on my phone. Wow, that was super easy. So the reading is less than 3.8% and less than half of a kilogram of gas left inside. So this is super accurate, less than 3.8% of gas left, which means it's time for a change. It's time for replacing this cylinder. So up to now, we had to keep two gas cylinders because we were always worried that we will run out and that we will be cold or we will be unable to cook. But now we don't need two gas cylinders, which will be really helpful when we are towing, because when you have this on your hitch, every single gram and kilogram matters, so you can get rid of one spare gas cylinder, because from now on we will know exactly how much gas we have left. Especially with SensoForce Plus, we will know it even when we are on the move. So now everyone has a choice. You could either hold on to the old school and pour in hot water on your gas cylinder to guesstimate the level of your gas left, or you could be smart. You could be smart and control and record your usage using an app on your phone. So let me know what you think. Whatever way you choose to check and measure the gas in your cylinder, I really hope you will never run out of gas on a cold night when you are camping or caravanning. As usual, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. It is free. And thank you so much for all the comments and messages. We respond to every single one. And remember that we publish a new video every Wednesday afternoon, and I meet you every Sunday at 6 p.m. the UK time for a live chat. So don't miss out. Thank you guys, and good luck and happy camping and caravanning.